A lot of people are very confused about AI. This confusion comes from the fact that there are two types of AI agents. There are personal productivity agents and there are autonomous agents. Most people are using the personal productivity tools. We're talking Claude Cowork, Gemini Enterprise. Those kinds of tools are pretty easy to set up. It's the low-hanging fruit. They're going to give everyone in your business 10 to 20% of improvement in their efficiency in the amount of work that they're able to do in a given day. These things are great. 10 to 20% is not something to be scoffed at, but the real value is coming from the fully autonomous agents. So a personal productivity agent will review all of my emails and tell me the ones that I need to respond to in the first 30 minutes of my day. That's going to save me some time. It's going to get the customers happier that their urgent emails have been responded to. The autonomous agents are going to replace that work entirely, so I'm not involved and I can go and do something else. An example would be, we get a contract that comes in, the autonomous agent gets that contract, reviews it, compares it to our house position. So let's say if you're a supplier of Aviato, you need to have $5 million cybersecurity insurance. If you don't have $5 million cybersecurity insurance, it's going to send it back and say you need to get this insurance. And if it comes back a second time, maybe then it'll escalate it to a person and go, this person's really not going to get cybersecurity insurance. Do you want to do business with them or not? But otherwise, I'm not involved in that process. It's fully autonomous. And the companies that are doing these autonomous agents are surging ahead of the ones that are not. That gap is widening. And it's going to be key for everyone to understand that maybe they're doing AI, but there's other people doing much more advanced AI, and they really need to be looking at where they go with that kind of stuff. Thank you.